Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In this video, I'll show you how to watch free movies on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So I'm going to be showing you how to watch movies on Chromecast for free. I'm going to be using the Plex application. So I've just navigated to the app and clicked on it to launch. Now if you know have this application already, I have videos on this channel showing you how to download and install this application. And when you have it, just launch it and you'll be able to follow along with me step by step. So now you find the app has launched. You don't need to sign in. You could just come up to skip sign up, and there the app launches. So from the app launch, you have the what on now live section. So Plex has an embedded live television system in it. You can see the shows right here. So I'm going to show you this left bar. If you want to see more of the live section, you could just click on live TV. That will give you all of the live channels. These are completely free. You need nothing. Just download the app. You could even skip the sign up and access all of these channels. So these are Plex channels. There are different categories like featured, hit list, drama TV, movies, true crime, news, sports, reality, classic, sci-fi, comedy, and all that. Also, if you come over to the movies and TV show system, movies and TV shows category, you can see all of these amazing movies, TV shows. They are ranked like these are binge worthy shows, popular telenovas, 90s, and recently added. So all of these are very recent, very interesting pieces of content in terms of movies and TV shows. You could browse any of this for free. All you need to do is just browse over to whatever you want to stream and maybe click on it. So I just clicked on Wise Guy. It's crime, drama, mystery. So just give that a second. It's going to load up and you can begin to stream immediately. So click on play or select the season 1, 2, 3. If you select the season, you can select episodes under it as well. These are the crew, these are the cast. You could just select a season. So for instance, if I select season 1, I can see, I'll give it a moment to load, and then you see the episodes under it. So those are the episodes. You could choose whatever episode you want to watch and begin to watch it immediately right from here. So all of this is free, and that's in the Plex application. If you found that useful, subscribe to the channel for more content like this.